Here goes a quick video to show you the big gun that we're harvesting today. It's from Short Stuff Seeds and it's a double auto AK-47 hybrid. This is from their bouquet line or whatever the shit. But this one was a free seed and she grew out pretty good. Minimal spacing here with the bud, nice size bud. If you can see all of them. There goes the top there. And they're all pretty fat nugs here. For a free seed, I would definitely say it was worthwhile. And possibly grow it again. There you go. She's probably less than 30 inches. Big, nice buds. Pretty good to the touch here. She was pretty sticky trimming her down. So now we'll dry her out and see what we get. She was a 63-day recommendation. I think I grew her closer to 70 days just to get the trichomes about where I felt good. Definitely harvestable. And there it is. Big gun.